Right, okay, once you've done the top, you'll need to do the base. Now the base we're going to glue on and panel pin on, but don't worry about that yet. The first thing we need to do is I've cut some bits of hardboard, or Sir's cut some bits of hardboard. They don't all fit because everybody's box is a different shape, so we've cut it slightly bigger, and then you place your case on there like that. Take a pencil and neatly draw around the box like that. Then use the scroll saw to cut it out. Now, you might have used this before, but here's a quick recap. This here is to stop the piece of wood vibrating up and down. This is the blade which moves up and down. Over here we've got green for go and red for stop as well. You can also press that and stop it. So we adjust using the nut and bolt there, lower it down, and obviously we put the wood on that side and kind of like, you know, give yourself a couple of millimeters clearance above it, but you can see it will fit under there. Now, that's a straight line, so to enable it to go in straight, I use this as a guide there, just to make sure it's kind of straight like that. There's a bit of a guard there. Make sure your safety glasses are on. Now, be ever so careful with this because it's quite difficult to cut a straight line. You've got to concentrate, so I'll switch it on. And I've cut close to the line, but obviously we can use the sanders, the belt sanders over there to sand that down to the line and then just double check it fits. Obviously then cut along that line there and get it to fit. And what we'll then do is put a small amount of PVA glue on there, place your lid on like that, and we'll probably put just 2 panel pins, perhaps one in there and one in that side. Obviously make sure it's halfway into the wood there, and then that shall fit permanently on the base like that. The panel pins are purely there to keep it in place while the glue dries.